scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Calculus problems like this are fast if you know the trick. We need to find where the tangent line matches a specific slope quickly. First, look at the line equation y equals 1 plus 4x. The slope of this line is exactly 4, so our tangent line must also have a slope of 4. Now, set the derivative equal to the slope of 4. We must solve the equation where 1 minus 5 cosine of 3x squared minus 2 equals 4. Graph this function to see how many times it hits 4 between 0 and 2. You will see 3 intersections making option C correct. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rush. Trust given values and check steps carefully.